In this video, I'm going to help you decide which AI tool is best for you by comparing the strengths of ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. I am starting with this guide on Medium that explores how different AI platforms can enhance your workflow and improve decision-making. As I look through the current landscape, it's clear that while it's tempting to stick to one favorite tool, each platform actually offers something very different. I've found that using one platform exclusively often leads to memory limitations or a cluttered workspace, which is why I prefer a multi-platform approach to keep my interactions efficient. I typically use ChatGPT as my cognitive partner for creative brainstorming and deep discussions because its conversational nature is perfect for refining ideas over time. However, I've recently integrated Perplexity into my routine to serve as a high-speed research assistant. Looking at the breakdown of strengths, ChatGPT remains a leader in general-purpose conversation and creative writing. Claude is excellent for task-specific reasoning and logical puzzles, while Gemini stands out for its high-context integration and technical specialization in fields like coding and mathematics. By using these tools together, I can reduce my cognitive load and keep my content production streamlined and organized. I've even started experimenting with Notebook LM to help manage the insights I get from all these different platforms. Ultimately, it's not about picking the single best tool, but about building a flexible AI strategy where each platform complements the others to fit my specific needs at any given moment. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.